pressure is there, much more. But I feel super good during all weekend. I was riding in a good way, and that's it. Now will be the most important. That is a race and a sprint race. We will try to do a good start, try to keep our level because we have a good race pace. But you know, in the races everything can happen. So take care about all the small details. And at the same time, super happy to share the front row with my brother.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yep, super happy to start.